welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can reduce the size of your Android APK even further with the help of optimized resource sharing. So here you can see I have an Android application, so I'm using XML layout, but doesn't really matter, we are not writing any code. Okay, so I'll just close everything. So typically what you used to do, if you want you can read more about this article, so you'll have to use this version of 8.12.0. so just use the latest version of Android Studio of Narwhal and you should be fine. So typically what we used to do previously is we used to do this, right? So you just go to your build.gradle over here, and then I'll just bring it down, and here inside Android block go to build types and release. Here you just make it as true, and you also do is shrink resources as true as well, right? Just copy this, do this, and just click on sync now, and this will like reduce your APK size a lot. Obviously in like nowadays we use Android app bundle, so like Android app bundle contains all the APKs for all different Android architectures. So once you deploy it to Google Play Store and then you try to download, once you deploy it to Google Play Console and then you try to download it from Google Play Store, you will see a serious decrease in the APK size. You don't have to use split APKs now. Okay, now even further you can reduce it by writing this particular bit of code inside gradle.properties. So just go to gradle.properties over here and paste this particular thing, just click on sync now, and it should decrease your APK size even further. So if you want you can read more about it, and also if you are using any third-party libraries, make sure you read the documentation of third-party libraries, because in Prograuard rules.pro you need to add this keep class members or keep attributes related to the library. Okay, otherwise sometimes what happens is that the shrinking of resources and minification removes some necessary classes from your library as well, and your app crashes in production. So make sure you test it properly as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.